At around 8 p.m. yesterday, a man sustained serious injuries in road accident involving one BSF Transportation bus bearing registration number MN0480025. In a report given to Elite News, the incident occurred at Kurai Thangzam Lekai when a person riding one Honda Activa approaching Kurai from Soibam Lekai was hit by the BSF Transportation bus carrying BSF personnel. It has also been reported that the driver of the bus, who was a non-Manipuri, was in a drunk condition. In order to control the irate people of the area, a team of Imphal East police personnel rushed to the area and took up the matter for further investigation.
BSF bus lambi set pa ko han nupa ko maga nupa nupa sok pa sing mani masagi mthung ka amrun sok re nupa sok nupa akoi Rajmedicity de ko kre aduga gari ase police personnel se lakona gari ase khakina ba koi film asle orize gari ase police na police kasto de thamga investigation tong ba de gari ase ko kre adugo solo mi do kari no kana ha be khang dri adugo mi ase de Rajmedicity le adugo maki makut amadi masada sokpadagi mahoji alu somba la kana guna laidi hiram basigi matang da video journalist shikheng amgolana pamjori sikes naram ile news info